Hello guys, welcome to another GwPro trading session. It's Gwyn Michael here, and today we're going to be looking at technical analysis we have on AUDCHF. If you're new to this channel, I recommend that you subscribe and also smash on the notification bell on this channel so you'll be getting all the information whenever I post content such as this one. Alright, I did speak about AUDCHF last time, and when I spoke about AUDCHF, we had price trading inside of this area right here, okay? We have price trading inside of this territory here, which I spoke about, this potential fat pattern here, which also we took some trades and we got out in profit because this was going to be our target area, which is going to be the A right around here, the B right around here, and we have the C right around here for the flat to the upside. Okay, so then I started looking for opportunities that this could have been done, and for an A, B right around here, C right around here. To complete, then we could be looking at a bigger A wave, a bigger B wave, and then we're working out a C to the upside. Okay, price should have continued upside, and then let's look at also where we expected for price to move into. Okay, I expected price to move into this territory here, being a retracement area of this structure right here. Okay, a retracement structure of this structure right here, because we have what could have been an ending structure here. We had price break to downside, and having taken the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high right around here to this swing low right around here, and I also looked at certain Fibonacci retracement areas there, also points of possible supply and also point of possible resistance here, and I looked at the maximums that price could also get into to be the 78.6, looking at more of the downward trend. Okay, I looked at this territory here to be a C wave, and also looked at the 127 to 1618 Fibonacci extension of this A to B wave, which should have created a C wave to the upside. Okay, I looked at that, and we were drawing out an analysis to actually capture that. Okay, so back in the group, I also shared it with guys that we should also look for potential sales, and that was also what we did. And also looking at this one here, we're working out a completion of a pattern. Okay, so I'm going to point it out to you that we've completed the truncated wave right around here. This should have been ABC, and this have felt right around here, supply right around here one more time, and also having that price bounce off this support for a double bottom right here, and then failed to maintain this momentum. This was also when I spoke about this. And we have price currently trading inside of what I could see as a potential triangle. All right, so I'm going to be looking at a breakout from this triangle to downside into continuing the downward movement in this one right here. So zooming in a little bit, I'm going to share also a little bit. Also, if you're new to this channel, I recommend that you also subscribe and you turn on that notification bell on this channel so you'll be getting all the information whenever this kind of content presents itself in the market. Okay, and we had what also could possibly be last week, and this is what also I was looking at last week. We had also what could have been another triangle inside a triangle, and that also broke to downside. Okay, so looking at here, I'm looking at a possible pullback into some territory such as this one here for another opportunity to look for some sell trades back into the downside. We have right here to be our zero leg. We have our A right around here. We have our B right around here. What we're working out is C right around here. So which did complete, and I'm looking for the potential to complete to the downside. Okay, so possibly we could also be looking at a D, maybe an E, some sort. Okay, that you should not be disturbed, because you know that a triangle is also an internal structures which do not overlap. Okay, so we do not have the C wave overlap the A wave. We do not have the B wave overlap the zero territories here. And if we're going to be looking at the E wave, we're not going to be looking at E overlapping the C wave. Okay, so we're going to put our stop loss at the extreme of the C wave right around here, and expect that price will also continue moving down to the downside. Okay, so for a target, I'm going to be sharing with also you a target also for a monthly time frame analysis. Well, okay, for a target. Okay, so for a target for this one here, I'm going to have to target previous structures there. Okay, apart from the fact that I'm going to target previous structure, I'm going to also target the Fibonacci retracement areas there, which is going to be also very important in the bid to I'm getting those cool targets. Okay, so overall final target which I'm looking at is 0.607 territories there. I'm looking at final target there for a pullback, and also we've tagged the 38.2. that was also territories where price bounced off around. Okay, so showing that it bounced 32 right around here back in 2021. We also bounced 32. That was around June, July. Okay, it was around June, July. Okay, we bounced off 32 first, bounced off twice. Now we have it that price have failed in this territory here. So we're going to be looking at the potential 50% Fibonacci retracement of that structure. Okay, so for the 50%, we're going to be inside of this territory here. If I'm just going to go ahead add my 50% to my Fibonacci tool right here, I'm just going to go ahead add Fib tools. I'm going to add 50%, and I'm going to add 0.50%, and I'm going to add okay, that's below 50%. 50%, I'm going to add that to my Fibonacci tool right around there. Okay, so this is going to be my 50%. So I'm going to put up a line right here on the 50% of this one right here. Okay, so I'm just put up a line right there, this 50%, and I have a line right here. And we're having that 0.62881 territory. All right, so I'm going to be looking at that for a final target. So going down to the H40 time frame, I'm going to expect that a drop from this point on here will take price into testing November lows, which was also inside of this territory here of the 0.641 territory, and also 50% could also be inside of this area right there. Okay, so what does this mean for a trade? What does it mean for a trade? If you're looking at this for a trade, you're going to be looking at targeting possibly first 140, 40, 50 pips, and for a risk of 34, 35 to up to 40 pips stop loss. Okay, that's gonna be a 1:4 point something thereabout risk reward trade, and I think it's also a good position to be in terms of trading for me. All right, see you next time. Subscribe, like, and also share with friends. That's the best thank you, and it will also help in the creation of more videos such as this one. See you on the next one.